Hey guys, I'm teacher Omar. Welcome to my classroom. In our last video, we practiced with basic eye and hair descriptions. In this video, we'll continue to work with this topic, similar structures, but a bit more advanced hair vocabulary. Let's begin. She has a perm. She has permed hair. She has cornrows. She is wearing cornrows. What's the difference between have and wear in this situation? We can use have for any type of hairstyle, any type of hairdo. However, wear is only for temporary hairstyles like cornrows, ponytails, braids, which I can take out, I can get rid of. However, highlights, perms, hair color, that's a bit more permanent and we need to say have. She has a bun. She is wearing a bun. She has her hair in a bun. She has a ponytail. She's wearing a ponytail. She has braids. She's wearing braids. She has pigtails. She's wearing pigtails. They have dreadlocks. They are wearing dreadlocks. They have bangs. They are wearing bangs. She has highlights. Now we want to be more specific about the length of the hair. For example, he has hair down to his chin. She has hair down to her shoulders. They have hair down to their backs. She has hair down to her waist. And we can continue to describe hair at longer lengths. For example, she has hair down to her knees. She has hair down to her ankles. Great. To wrap things up, we're going to work with two idioms related to hair. Idiom number 1, get out of my hair. We use this when something is extremely annoying and you'd like for it to stop. Think of having your head full of lice and needing to get rid of them ASAP.
Hey Dad, can we go to the park right now?
I told you we would, but you see I'm busy.
I know, but it's been going on so long and it's getting dark.
It's only been 20 minutes. Can you have patience? I need to get this done.
Can we go to the park now?
Please, get out of my hair. Go to the store. Get whatever you want. Come back in 30 minutes.
Great, thanks Dad.
Idiom number 2, give someone gray hair. We use this when we are extremely worried or stressed out about something. So much that it feels like we're aging, that our hair is turning gray. National strike. Another COVID variant. Another armed conflict. This never stops. This is the reason I don't read the news. It gives me gray hair. That's all we've got for today. We hope you enjoyed it and were able to pick up on a few new things. If you find value in this type of content, please share, like, and subscribe. This will help other people who are also interested in improving their English find this content. Don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts at Classes with Omar. Bye for now.